I'll be planting 3 varieties of the Summerific Hardy Hibiscus in my garden this year, so let's go ahead and go plant our very first one. Now this is my favorite out of the entire line, mainly because it is a lavender colored flower. Now you might say, Emmanuel, there is dozens, if not hundreds, of purple flowers for you to choose from. However, the color purple is not an existing flower unless it's a rare variety, or in this case, it's the Hardy Hibiscus variety. And before we get a little bit deeper, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to the Flamingo Road Nursery for partnering with us on this video. I got all 3 varieties of Hardy Hibiscus from their nursery, and I was blown away by their inventory. So if you have not checked out that video, make sure to go check it out as I cover everything they have for the summer season. And they actually surprised me because they had a whole bunch of Hardy Hibiscus. I wish I could take more, but I decided to take these 3 top varieties that I found cool, interesting, and unique to add to the garden. Now a bit of information for the Summerific Lilac Crush. It grows about 60 to 66 inches tall. It grows about 48 to 54 inches wide. Now its hardiness zones is 4 through 9. So as you all know, I'm a zone 10. So we are pushing it a little bit, but sometimes they do fare well depending on how well they're planted, how well they're cared for, and if they like the area they're planted in. And sometimes they do come back year after year if we have a cold enough winter. So all I could do is hope that we do have somewhat of a cold winter so it could promote these to come back. Hardy Hibiscus in general loves full sun, but since we will be growing them in a more hotter zone, I'll be planting them in partial sun so they don't get burned by our extreme heat. Now to plant them is quite straightforward. You want to plant them at soil level. You want to make sure their soil is well draining and aerated. And I always mix in a biotone starter fertilizer so the plant has beginner friendly nutrients to, start establishing into its new home. So let's go ahead and plant this puppy out in the garden. So we went ahead and planted the Lilac Crush Summerific Hibiscus, and now we're moving on to our second variety. This one is called the Summerific Hibiscus Garnet Globes. It's more in between bright red and burgundy, so I think that's one of the reasons to why I decided to get it, and I'm definitely super excited for this one. So let's see. This one is a smaller variety compared to the Lilac Crush. So this one gets about 36 to 42 inches tall. It gets about 36 inches wide. The hardiness zones are 4 through 9, and it likes full to part sun. So same light requirements and hardiness zones as the Lilac Crush variety. The only difference is that this is more of a petite variety than the Lilac Crush. It will stay smaller, but still provide those huge dinner plate sized flowers. So let's go ahead and plant this one. So here we have the third and final variety that I'll be planting in my garden. This is a Summerific Hibiscus Ballet Slippers. So once again, cooler tones are my personal favorite, hence to why I got 2 cooler tones and then one color that is a little bit more on the brighter end, but it's still not like bright red. Now the details on this one is technically the same as the Lilac Crush. So this one gets 48 to 52 inches tall, about 52 to 60 inches wide. Its hardiness zones are 4 through 9. And it once again likes full to part sun. Once again, all of these will be planted in part sun as they will get burned if I put them in full sun. For example, daylilies, they usually never grow here in South Florida, but I have these daylilies here that have been phenomenal. And right now they're actually giving me their first flush of blooms from the first time they bloomed, and I am stoked. So now I do know that there is a chance of me successfully growing Hardy Hibiscus in my garden. So fun fact, the clip I filmed at the end of the video actually had no audio, so please forgive me on that. But make sure to go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Make sure to turn on the bell notification button so you get notified when I release a new video. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye everyone.